Hello everybody, today we're going to be covering dates. We're going to start with month, then days of the week, followed on how to actually set the actual date. Alright, this PowerPoint is up online for you on the Weebly My German course website and any other reference sheets as well that you may need. Start with the month. Die Monate means the month, and here they are, all 12 of them. Please be aware in German you pronounce all the letters, so even in words like September you do say the ER. So let's start with Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. I know it's tempting to end these with A, September, as you would in English, but just remember in German there is an ER, so you say R. Okay? Moving on to the days of the week. Here they all are. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. There is an extra word for Saturday, Sonnabend. It is only used in northern Germany and it is quite old German, but as long as you are aware, if you hear that Sonnabend is, the evening before Sunday. Moving on to vocabulary. Now what you do today is we're going to figure out how to say what date is it today, and we're going to talk about an event as well. So let's start with this one first. Welches Datum ist es? Literally means what date is it today? Alright, so let's have a look. Es ist der 12.02.2018 or heute ist der 12. Februar 2018. So with this you're actually asking what the date is. You can specify that today is the 12th of February 2018, or you can just say it is the 12th of the 2nd 2018. When you want to talk about an event such as a birthday, you can say Wann haben Sie Geburtstag, which is a polite C there. When is your birthday? And your answer will be something along the lines of Ich habe Geburtstag am 17. März or 17.3. as you wish. Please be aware the difference between mentioning the date and mentioning the event is you, instead of saying it is the 12th of February 2018, you're saying my birthday is on the. So the difference is the as opposed to on the. We'll go into that a bit more on the next page. So when you're talking about the basic date, it is very much like English. There are some irregulars. In English, you have first, second, third, and then you have fourth onwards with just the at the end. In German, it is very similar. You have three irregulars, erste, dritte, and siebte. All the others follow the same pattern, which is you add the number, you have your number, and you add te at the end. So zwei, two, te, vierte, fünfte, sechste. 10th will be 10. You just add a T at the end. For any numbers over 20, add STE. Just remember that, STE. That is for mentioning the dates. Yeah? So 3 irregulars, you add TE at the end of the numbers, or at the end of the normal number, as you would normally, and for any numbers over 20, you add STE. Now, when you're talking about an actual event, you need the word for on there, which is The same rule applies, except you add an N at the end of a letter. So you still have your 3 irregulars, erste, except there's an N there, dritten, siebten, and the same deal, for numbers over 20 you add an S, so 20, 31, 24th will be 24, so the difference between these two is there's TE as opposed to TEN. Nothing else is different. Okay, you'll find the reference sheets for this online as well for you. So let us talk about the date, here to remind you of how you say them. Heute ist der 1. Juli, which means today is the 1st of July. Please note the TE. Morgen ist der 6. Mai, which means tomorrow is the 6th May. And the last one for you, es ist der 23. Please note the STE for over numbers over 20. Today it is the 23rd of January. Perfect. Date for events using as opposed to I'm just mentioning a day. Yeah, then here are the numbers again to remind you. Ersten, zweiten, dritten. Again, 3 regulars. Just add ten at the end of the numbers, and for the numbers over 20, STEN. Let's translate these. Mein Geburtstag ist am 11. Juli, which means my birthday is on the 11th of July. Geht am 8. Mai. He leaves on the 8th of May. Neujahr ist am 1. Januar. New Year's is on the 1st of January. I missed the is there in English, I do apologize. Alright, let's keep going. How do you mention the year? Same as you would in English. There's 3 ways of saying. You could say in 1965, you could say in 1965, or you could say in 1000, year 1965. So the same works in German. So 1965, so 1965. 1965, so you just say the 1965, or you could just start with the 1000, 1965, so 1965. Same for this. See if you got it right. Pause the video for that. Then you have 1914. How would you say that? 1914, which is 1914. 2018. Most people say 2000, just 2018. Nice and easy. Let's put it all together. So again, welches Datum ist es means what date is it. To put the dates together in a proper order, you say the day first, then the date, then the month, and then the year. So that would be something along the lines of Freitag, der 13. August 2017. In a proper sentence, that would be something like today is Friday the 13th of August 2017. You would say heute ist Freitag, der 13. August 2017. Beautiful. To specify your birthday, you would say something as is written there. Mein Geburtstag ist am Freitag, den 13. August. Yeah. So Freitag, den 13. August. Perfect. Alright. Hope that's all nice and clear for you.